Hi everyone. Today I will explain you how to draw a circle in AutoCAD with radius and with diameter, and I will explain other option also. This 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent radius and tangent, tangent, tangent. Let's start. To create a circle with radius, we have to click here on the circle and select the first option here, center radius. Now we have to specify a point on the screen, and here whatever the input you give, it will accepted as a radius. So I will give 25. So this 25 radius circle is created. You can measure here. Once again, I click on center radius, specify point on a screen, and this time I will give radius 50. I will measure again, and this is R50 is created. So now we will create a circle with diameter. Here you have to select on center diameter, specify point on a screen. Now whatever input you give, it will accept as a diameter. I will give 50. You can measure here with diameter. This is 50. Again I select here circle, and this time I will give diameter 100, and I will measure here. This is diameter 100. So these are the two options, circle with radius and circle with diameter. Now I will explain these four options. The circle with 2 point. For that we have to create 2 points. Let's say my one point is here and second point is here. Now click on circle and select 2 point. This is my first point and this is my second point. The circle is created by touching the 2 points. For 3 points, I have one this point, one this, and one this. Click here on 3 point, select any 3 point. Now the circle is created by touching the 3 specified points. And next one is tangent, tangent radius. For that we have to create 2 lines here. Now click on circle, 10, 10 radius, select 10 of this one, 10 of this one, and now you have to give the radius. I will give radius 75. Whatever radius you give, it will accept. So we have a next option, tangent, tangent, tangent. For that I will create this type of a shape, and now I will select tangent, 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 first point, second point, and third point. The circle will automatically created with the 310 points of the lines. So in this way we can create 6 type of circle in AutoCAD. Hope you understood how we can create a circle in AutoCAD.